Welcome to MN Real Fishing. We're back at the spot. Oh, my hair is like messed up. Back at the spot. Oh, kind of looks like it got vandalized. If you've been here, get out. No one likes you. Got the rig out there right now. I got a bunch of creek chubs, bro. I'm feeling good about today. Cause we got creek chubs now. We don't, but let's catch some fish. The fishing has probably been the slowest I've ever had at this spot, besides for not catching anything. Massive bullhead. I hate bullheads so much. It's a giant. Okay, I think that bullhead is like dying. I was jigging my bait just right here because I was trying to get the weeds off. A pike just came up and smacked it. The pike has it right now. I opened my bail because he did not have it in his mouth yet. I'm just gonna keep my bail open. Okay, I think it wasn't that bad, but creek chubs. They're just bigger minnows with a big mouth, so it's kind of slow, but I don't know. Be going on the creek chub. I don't know where the bobber just went, but yeah. I look, he might just send it. Oh, it's a big bass. It is a nice bass. Oh my god, that might be my No way. Holy shit. That's a really nice bass. I actually did think it was a bass because it was running so far. That guy is just, oh, he feels so big. Harrison, or hand. So he's literally basically to like tip of my finger to like this joint. I'm gonna put him next to my rod so we can measure him when I get home, because I don't have a measuring tape. Giant nonetheless. He's ready. Got something on again. That bass was so cool. This fish is running in circles. Oh, it's a pike. It's a nice pike. Oh, never mind. It's not nice. Oh, hello. Oh my god, what am I doing? They're in my pocket. Yeah. Probably like a 23 incher, but pretty nice fight from him. I'm just gonna throw him back. Out there, it was out there for 5 seconds, and something just hit the bobber. What is it? I couldn't even see it. It's big. Whatever it is, it looks pretty big. Oh, pike. Oh my god. not a bad one. That is not a bad one, bro. I will take this. Not a bad one. Probably a 20, 27 or 28, maybe. Oh my god. As soon as the bait hit the water, bro. Saw the bobber jerk. Got the last two creek chubs. One is getting bit right now. Feel the fish. Side of the spot, so. Oh my god, that's a giant pike. That's a huge one. That's a fucking monster. Holy shit. He broke the fucking line. Oh my god. This is MN Real Fishing. I have slime all over me. I'm gonna wash off. I literally had like a 5-pound bass on, so I threw this on, and I catch a fucking ball head. How do I catch a ball head on a goddamn motherfucking chatterbait? I literally felt the bite, and I thought it was a bass, and it's a goddamn ball head. So I guess my hair just isn't gonna look good at all in this video, but going to the river. It's like 6:30 right now. I rigged this yellow one up yesterday because my dad got a new reel, so now we have another rod back in business. So yeah, let's go catch some fish. We made it. That rod's creek chub head, and that rod is creek chub like body, but the river is like really low. But yeah, this is the. Oh, I already got a bite. Which one? I think it was this one. I'm gonna have a heart attack, bro. I just saw the rod fucking shoot 60 miles per hour into the fucking. Oh my god. I need to set the phone up. I'm shaking so bad. Holy fuck. The rod shot in the water 65 miles per hour. It's a big fish. Oh my god, it's pulling so much drag. Oh my god. In the blink of an eye, the rod was fucking gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to take off my shoes. Is that what I think it is? Holy fuck. Oh my god. Mega channel. Mega channel cat. Oh, holy shit. Fucking 10-pounder. Oh my god. Look, this is the biggest fish I've caught in MN Real Fishing. Absolute beast of a channel cat. I knew I was gonna get a fish, and then I just see the rod shoot downwards, just into the mud. The mud was the only thing stopping the rod. Giant, not my PB though. That's the crazy thing. I've caught one bigger than this. At this spot, probably in the same spot. But, oh my god. Look at this channel cat. He is a beast. His head is giant. Look at his head compared to my head. Oh, 10-pound fish. Like, literally a 10-pound fish. I can literally He is 10 pounds. This. That was awesome. Thank you so much. You big beast. I was not expecting to catch this big of a fish today. For the channel. Yo, if you don't believe that he fucking took the rod and ran, he broke my Y stick. This was literally together like this, and this was my Y stick. It fucking snapped. That fish was a monster. Okay, well, I am the worst hook setter of all time because it's probably been like 3 hours since I've recorded and I haven't got a single fish. I've had like 8 bites. But I'm getting ready to leave. It's moving a little bit. I think it's a small fish trying to... Yeah, you see that? Something is trying to eat it. Yeah, I was right. It was a little fish eating out the insides of the head. Thank you for watching MM Real Fishing. See you on the next one.
Jump in the Porsche, my target. Jump in the line, I ain't parking it.